Great. So now if we put on a matrix, we can drag our date, and on the column we just need the year, and we can put all sorts of other variables, and everything, since it is connected, it'll give us accurate results. So we've just put in brand over on the rows, maybe city on the rows as well, or maybe in the columns. See, this is something you can experiment and see what looks best for you, but you get the concept of data modeling, right? That it's basically connecting the tables, establishing relationship between the tables, if you know what I mean. See? Now, again, you can delete it and check. It'll give all sorts of weird results. You can arrange it in different ways and combinations, whatever suits best for you. See, I told you, you can delete the relationships and check for yourself how weird it will behave. So we're deleting all the relationships now. And then if you see, oh, now you can put the relationships back, date to date, product ID to product ID, and then things will start to sort out. See, it's back to normal. Now we can try putting in slicers as well. So we look for slicers, and slicers will also work according to the relationships you have established. So we just put in a slicer over here, and we can put in city. Maybe I would like to change the slicer to a tile version. So yes, I'll go here, select a tile. Okay, now we have a slicer, and now when I click on Bangalore, it'll just show me Bangalore data. When I click on other cities, it'll show me that particular city's data. Now I'll just replicate this slicer and I'll put in a year. I'll put in dates. Okay, yeah. Hierarchy, and then I don't want day, month, or quarter. I just want the year. So I'll remove all the others. Yep. Okay, now see how brilliantly it works. Now that we have our star schema, let's talk about keeping it fast. Rule number one, use measures, not calculated columns wherever possible. Rule number two, keep your model clean. Hide technical columns like IDs from the report view. Remove any tables or columns you're not using. Set proper data types in Power Query. Don't let everything default to text, etc. Rule 3, clean your data before loading. Handle nulls, remove duplicates, fix data types in Power Query, not in the model. Your future self will thank you. Let me save you some headaches by covering the biggest mistakes I see beginners make. Mistake number one, the giant flat table approach. Oh, I'll just load everything into one table because it's easier. Trust me, it's not easier when your report takes forever to load and your calculations are wrong. Mistake number two, calculated column overload. If you're creating dozens of calculated columns, stop. Most of those should be measures instead. Mistake number three, bi-direction relationships everywhere. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. Start with a single direction and only change it if you have a specific need. Mistake number 4, ignoring the relationship warnings. If Power BI says your relationship is many to many, don't just click OK. Fix your dimension tables and make them unique. Alright, let's recap what we've learned today. Build star schemas with your fact table in the center and dimensions radiating out. Use one-to-many relationships with single direction filtering. Create measures, not calculated columns for calculations. And keep your model lean by hiding unused fields and cleaning the data in Power Query. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.